Welcome to Crystal Bliss Phonics, where we learn our sounds one step at a time. Today, we are going to learn how to sound and pronounce blendable two-letter words. Let's begin. So we have at, an, as. Good job. You can go through these words again before moving on. Next, we have in, it, is, if. Good job. Go through these words again before you move on to the next word. On, off, or, ox. And we also have up, us. Now let's move on to our reading practice. Before we go to our reading practice, I need to introduce you to a sight word. You can also call it a tricky word. And the first tricky word we have is I. So we are going to practice reading. Here we have reading practice 1 from 1 to 5. Let's take the first reading practice. So we have number 1, I am in it. I am in it. Number 2, I am on it. I am on it. Number 3, I am up. I am up. Number 4, it is in it. It is in it. Number 5, it is on it. It is on it. Good job. So we have reading practice from number 1 to number 15. So let's take the next reading practice. So we have number 6, it is up. It is up. Number 7, it is in. It is in. Number 8, it is on. It is on. Number 9, I am in. I am in. Number 10, I am on. I am on. Number 11, is it in it? Is it in it? Number 12, it is in it. It is in it. Number 13, is it on it? Is it on it? Number 14, it is on it. It is on it. Number 15, is it up? Is it up? Great job today. Keep practicing your sounds one step at a time. See you in the next lesson.